Unboxing the Seesii WH760. It comes in a well-organized kit that includes the impact, two 4 amp-hour batteries, a fast charger, 5 CRV steel sockets, an extension bar, a hook belt, and a carrying case. The sockets that come in the kit are 17mm, 19, 21, 22, and 24. Right out of the box, both batteries are charged 3 out of 4 bars. The first thing that stands out is the build quality of the wrench. It's got a brushless motor. The total length is just under 7 inches and 4.4 pounds. There is a 3-speed selection, the first speed being 0 to 1400 RPM, second 0 to 1800 RPM, and the third 0 to 2400 RPM. The kit also comes with these locking pins and O-rings. I don't think these are necessary, but once I test the impact on some wheels, I'll know for sure. The way it works is you line up the socket to the anvil. There should be 2 holes on either side of the socket and a hole through the anvil. The pin will go through this, then the O-ring will seal around the socket so that the pin doesn't fall out. Now that it's ready to go, let's test out the impact wrench. I'm going to torque the lug nut at 110 foot-pounds, and then I'm going to use the Seesii impact driver to remove it at mode 1 first. Battery is fully charged, and I'm gonna start off in mode 1, which is the lowest setting. Okay, this one's gonna be on mode 3 this time. Alright, we're gonna do that again, but this time torque to 130 foot-pounds. Alright, it's gonna be on mode 1, which is the lowest setting again. Alright, last one, same settings, 130 foot-pounds, and we'll try it on mode 3. Okay, battery's still fully charged. My final thoughts on the Seesii WH760 impact kit. For about $200, I think it's a great value, especially with how many useful items that come with the kit, and that the gun feels very good in the hands. I only have one complaint about the impact, and it's that the LED lights to toggle from low to medium to high settings are a bit hard to read. The LEDs that light up look like 2 or more are on, but I don't think it's a really big deal. Most of the times you will probably be using this on the highest mode anyways. If you like this video, check out my YouTube channel where you can find all sorts of auto body videos just like this. And don't forget to subscribe.